That breaking news, Governor Gavin Newsom's former chief of staff, Dana Williamson, has pleaded guilty to 3 counts after being charged with corruption. Thanks for joining us here at noon. I'm Brady Halbleib. CBS 13's Ashley Sharp joins us live from downtown with the latest details. Ashley.
Hey, Brady. In federal court today, 20 felony counts against Williamson were dropped today as a part of this plea deal. She did, however, plead guilty to 3 felonies, the most serious being that she stole money from a Xavier Becerra campaign account years ago, so unrelated to his current run for governor, and then funneled that money to a co-defendant, Sean McCluskey, who has also taken a plea deal. Now, Dana Williamson, as we've said, was Governor Newsom's former chief of staff and is one of 5 co-conspirators accused of defrauding the federal government and stealing over $200,000 in campaign money. Now, she and McCluskey, a longtime Becerra aide, are accused of siphoning money from one of Becerra's dormant state campaign accounts to give to McCluskey to pad his salary after he accepted a job as Becerra's chief of staff in Washington when he was serving as Biden's Health and Human Services Secretary. Now, the second felony conviction for Williamson is that she falsified tax returns, claiming more than $1 million in business deductions that prosecutors said were used for personal and non-deductible expenditures like private jet travel, hotel stays, home furnishings, and designer handbags. And the third felony Williamson pled guilty to is that she made false statements when questioned by FBI agents about the diversion of campaign money and allegations of public corruption. Today, though, following her guilty plea, she made no statements to the media, but her defense attorney told us what her motivation was behind those crimes.
Her motivation was singular and heart-rending. She was trying to help a friend in a hard time. Mr. McCluskey was back in D.C. with Mr. Becerra, serving as chief of staff. Family was still on the West Coast. He's living on a government salary. Wife is home with the kids. They didn't have enough money, and that's where this all originated. And she was simply trying to help a friend in a pinch as best she could.
Now, Williamson on these charges faces a maximum of 38 years in prison and more than $2 million in fines. But her attorney explained to us today, though, he will be fighting for the most minimal sentence and that it's more likely she'd get a sentence of around 3 years or less, given that she has no criminal history. But we'll have to wait and see what a judge decides. Williamson will be back in court on July 9th, but her attorney says she's not expected to be sentenced until later this fall. Brady.
Big update there. All right, Ashley, thanks so much.